Slow sales on eBay. I'm going to show you guys 3 things I do every single day to make sure to have the exposure and get daily sales on eBay. All right, so we are in My Seller Hub. If you come up here to sell and then active, I list every single day. I have drafts ready to go. I will link a video on banking and using a virtual assistant and how I make that possible. But I list it every single day. I do it first thing in the morning from my phone. So that is number 1. I go to my drafts and I come over here and I pick drafts and I go ahead and list every single day. It allows me to be consistent, and having a bank of drafts allows me to list every single day. From there, what I do is I go into my active and you can see my promoted listing. These are the 13 items that I have listed for the day. They don't have promoted set on, so I know that these are my newest listings. From here, I'm going to right click on them and open every single one of them in a new tab. And what I do from here is send them to Poshmark, send them to Pinterest. This is going to give them one extra eyes on them. Google is the #1 top search engine. So if you find things outside of eBay, it's likely going to be in Google. But you'll notice oftentimes that the first photos that come up when you're searching for something will take you to Pinterest. Having a Pinterest board that all I do is post my eBay listings to is going to give me one extra set of eyes on my items. From here, I'm going to promote the items. eBay likes when you are editing items, so one way that I can go in and kind of edit items and make sure that I'm being active in my store, I go in and bulk edit. I will link a video on how to bulk edit up above, but for the sake of this video, I just go in, I select all 13 that I listed. I do want to promote them, so I'm going to go ahead and edit all of these and promote them. I do 2%. I will link a promoted listing video above on how to decide what's right for you. And then the last thing that I do, and I do this every single day, multiple times during the day, I send out offers, but I do find it is the easiest from the computer. If you select all of the items, I just do a flat offer. But if you wanted to go in and say, hey, I want to do 10% for these ones, 13% for these ones, whatever you want. But I just go in and send out a flat offer. It's going to bring them all up, and then you can also send out a coupon. I will link a video on how coupons work. For the sake of this video, we're not going over it, but I can go ahead and link a video on the different ways to use coupons. This is going to be sent after 48 hours after the offer expires. So if they did not purchase this from this offer, they will get another chance to purchase it. Make sure to subscribe to learn how to make money reselling. YouTube thinks you'd like this video. I will link other eBay tutorials here, and then make sure to hit that subscribe.